Saban ol Hayri.
So today, we will tackle about the Palestine country, their culture and history.
First, we discuss about the history of Palestine. Palestine was inhabited by people from the Natufian culture. They were hunter-gatherers who live in a village gathering and processing wild cereals. They built stone, houses, and granaries. Palestine is a region in the Middle East situated between the Jordan River and the Mediterranean Sea. It encompasses the West Bank, Gaza Strip, and parts of Israel. The region's diverse geography includes mountains, valleys, deserts, and coastal plains.
Next is the cuisine of Palestine. Palestinian cuisine is a blend of Mediterranean, Arabic, and Middle Eastern flavors. Popular dishes include musakan, magluba, falafel, and shawarma.
So let's go to the cultural heritage. Palestine has a rich heritage with a strong emphasis on hospitality and family. Palestinians are known for their warm hospitality and generosity towards guests. Family ties are strong in Palestinian culture, with a famous on respect for elder and tradition.
Spices and herbs of Palestine. Palestine cuisine relies heavily on aromatic spices and herbs, including sumac, cardamom, cumin, thyme, sesame seeds, and mallows.
Music of Palestinian. Traditional Palestinian music features instruments like the oud and the darboka. Festivals of Palestine. Cultural festivals celebrate Palestinian heritage, such as the Palestine International Festival and the various local events that showcase music, dance, and crafts. In conclusion, Palestine's culture, history, and cuisine reflect a rich and complex heritage shaped by centuries of diverse influences and experiences. The vibrant artistic expressions, traditional music, and the literature highlight the resilience and creativity of the Palestinian people.
Shukran laki wadaan.